Hello guys, welcome to the continuation of SQLite3 and Python. To the last video we saw about creating and connecting to the database, and then creating a table, and then what the structured query language inside this mean, and then how to insert the data by getting input from the user, and then like how to take care of any error, like to make the program work seamlessly by using this try and expect code, and then sys.execute.clear and pass uh, commands. Now let's go ahead and write the code for selecting the data from the database and viewing it. So I actually copied this from my previous code. So this is, you can call your function as whatever you want, and then I'm passing connection as the argument, and then I'm creating a cursor, uh, which is going to be equal to count.execute, So this thing is going to return the data from the result table. So it's actually result, it's not a result, it's my last table's name. Um, so it's going to select roll number, name, elective 3, elective 4, data, marks. They're exactly same as the columns in the table. Then it's gonna return as a cursor. Now cursor is holding all the information. If it has 100 rows of columns, it will hold it. If it is still one row of columns, it's gonna hold it. Then we are gonna use the for statement to print each and every single element from the cursor. If you go ahead and execute this piece of code, call the function. We say first we enter some element into the database, like enter some information into the database, and then we'll select all the information available in the table and print it out on a Python shell console. Then we are eventually closing the database. Okay, is it clear? Yeah. So let's execute this. Enter roll number, let's go with 50. Enter name, I'm gonna column Google. Enter elective, let's say it's done A and B. When did you do? 28 9 1999. And then enter the marks. 45. Seems to be very bad. Okay, new data inserted. Name select data is not defined, so I think I didn't call properly. I made a spelling mistake. So we already have the data. We already inserted this SELECTDAT. Okay. Here is another one. Yahoo RT 28 5. Okay, year. Enter marks 745. Okay, what's now? Global variable s is not defined. Where are we? Oh shit. So this thing is gonna return the double string value of 0 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, R5. I think everything is done. Let's go and execute. There it be another one. 22. Enter name Microsoft. Elective 89 1998. 965. Okay, new data inserted. After that, it has extracted all other data that were available in the database. So these three lines of code simply extracted all the data from the database, and these three lines of code are like helping us in inserting the data into the database. Now let's go ahead and see like how to update. So we can understand that. So this select function, we are passing connection as an argument, and then we're creating a cursor which holds the information from the database. We're choosing all this info. All these info from the table, and then we're using for statement to like print it all out. Now let's go ahead and uh, let's go ahead and grab the code for updating the database and see what it is all about. That's the other way. Okay, it looks big, but it's quite simple. So it's taking connection as an argument, and we're creating another variable called connection, which is equal to the actual connection, and then we're creating a cursor, which it just does the same operation as this one. First, now to update, you have to know what all the information available in the database. So it's easy for it to update. That's why we are printing the information in the database out all the rows and columns. And then we are getting input from the user. Enter the ID that you want to update. So ID is the primary key. So we are ID is the primary key. So we are getting the ID as a raw input. Now let's see. We have this. So this is the ID. So if you want to edit this row, so first you have to mm, key in the ID. So let's 20, and after that you have all of the options to update like name, elective, date, and marks. So first get the ID and then ask them which one you want to update, name or elective or date or mark, and then get the if it is one, you enter 1, 2, 3, and get the number corresponding to the edit that they want to make, and then use the if statement. If mod, whatever it is, you could call anything you want, equals 1, so you want to update. So enter the updated name. So it just has them for the updated name. So it's also a raw input, it's a string. So you could just get it as a raw input. It's gonna return string, and then now the cursor comes in again. Cursor equals con dot execute update, and it's not efforts. It's result the table name, and then update result. So the table that you want to update, and then set what is it you want to set. The name you want to set the name, which is going to be equal to the name that you're inputting here, and then which is corresponds to the roll number that you're getting here. Okay. So and then print data updated. So I just wrote for only name. So in similar fashion, you could write for rest of the columns. Let's go ahead and execute.